One second. To the track. Yep. So I'm excited to see what the car does and see how she performs. I haven't been to the track since I put twin turbos on the car. I only took it once when I had the Pro Charger, and it did terribly because it had the wrong wheels, wrong tire. It just spun. So I have a good tire setup. I'm not gonna go crazy with the launches because well, I'm trying to get home. I'm not trying to break a half shaft.
It was at this moment that Marty knew he fucked up.
So, hope you guys enjoy the fun today. We got some of the guys over there at the track already, and it should be a fun video. I'm gonna see what this car does, and I've been excited to see what it does at the track, and see if I get better at the track too, because my skills are it's been a long time. It's been a long time, and I haven't had the greatest look at the track. I've broken a few things at the track before. That's why I'm not a big track guy. But anyways, enjoy this video, guys. The hoods are open. There's Danny. He's gonna run it. The car's got filth coming in here. I don't know. They sprayed this track full of dust, and I don't know how the cars are gonna run. It's crazy. They literally had a sweeper come in here, and the road coming in here is just dusty as hell. It's still kind of dusty. So we're here. We got the crew over here, ready to go. Javi, go. Look, there's a Hellcat with a tire. Go.
That one's a manual one.
Hellcat with a tire, Javi.
The one with the big wheel?
See you fucking run.
Yeah.
Javi.
But still, 11.7.
That's what I said.
Like a driver.
Is that Supra?
The white one? Is that Adam LZ?
I don't know.
That's a bad bitch.
Mark 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, turbo on spray. So if we got a C4.
Big turbo EcoBoost. He's gonna run it first time too with the new setup. So. Danny going up against Mustang. Bro, what the fuck was that?
That was horrible, bro.
You were sleeping at the light.
I know. I was fucking back 12-3.
Yeah, that's the worst you've done.
Yep.
It would have been a race between you and that Mustang.
Nah, he was gone. He ran 11.6.
He did 11.6?
Yeah.
I was watching you.
He was so far ahead of me. I actually saw his
I wonder
time.
what he has.
He's right there. There you're on. 12.3 of 113.
113?
That E30 might make a pretty big difference.
Oh, yeah, it does. Dude, it bumps up the octane.
Yeah.
And then it bumps up the timing with the tune.
Yeah, I'm not running the race tuning. I'm running regular.
Yeah, next time you come out here, put some E30 in.
Yeah, we'll see what it does.
It'll make a difference.
Yeah.
Turn. You let the car get hot.
Yeah, that was another problem. My fucking oil temp was only at 150.
Yeah, you letting the car get too hot. You'll be fine.
We'll see what he does.
We'll get you signed in, ready to go. Make sure you fill out that card nice, neat, and legible so we can...
1,000 horsepower, got to get beat by a family sedan.
Yep, because you can't stick it. Still do it 11.
Get the fuck out of here.
That was quick.
Yeah, it was. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh shit, I'm stuck.
Oh, that was quick. Half shaft.
Number 3. Streetcar station lanes to number 5 and 6. Motorcycle station.
I ain't even. I launched that at $2,000. That was a quick day. God damn it.
Right, please go slow in the pit area, 15 mile an hour at a maximum.
This sucks.
Children and families that come out here, and children tend to dance out behind the cars once in a while, so please drive only 15 mile an hour through the pit area.
Broke the half shaft. My first pass. I didn't even launch it hard. I was launching at 2,000, but the track is extra sticky, and my tires are sticky, and I broke the driver's side half shaft. Yep, I didn't even get one pass in. Yeah, thankfully we got AAA, so the AAA will come pick it up. But still, it sucks. You know, I want to at least try to get one pass in. So it's time to upgrade. I mean, I'm not gonna put another set of stalkers. It is what it is, right? Wanted to go somewhat race car. I'm not total race car. I'm never gonna be total race car. See, I never replaced those. Should have replaced them. We wouldn't be having this problem. So I'm gonna talk to Caleb, let him know, and see what kind of deal. See what kind of deal he can give me. Some new half shafts. Alright guys. This sucks. I really wanted to try to have some fun with this car, but shit happens. This is what it is. Can't really, you know. I mean, I could control this if I would have upgraded the half shaft, but I figure they would have done better than this. Stage 3 clutch. 1-piece drive shaft. And sticky tire and sticky track. I guess it was just too much for the stock half shaft, so it'll be something that's gonna, you know, just upgrade like everything else. So either way, this is part of life. Should be back on the road in no time. So right now we're just waiting on the tow truck, and go from there. So I'm bummed because I wanted to freaking see what it did. Because the car, you'll see in the video, the car squatted. The car was gonna go. Oh well.
fastest our cars went all night.
You're good, you're good. All right, Javi, you haven't driven my car in a while. Was it pretty fast? I went to the track. I got one pass.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't.
You got one launch. You did not get a pass.
Hey, you didn't even get 60
got
foot.
half a launch. You got a 64th of a pass. You didn't even get
What was my 60 foot?
No 60 foot.
You didn't make it that far.
No, I didn't make it that far.
I don't even think we can give
You
you a
bunch
20
of assholes.
I don't think we can give you a
Hey.
20 foot.
How was your 4 foot?
Oh, is that gonna be a bitch to get that piece out?
See the, you did. See the.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Confirmation, it's a half shaft. Driver's side. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it the greatest thing ever when that brings you home? Alright guys, so back home, car's back in the garage. Not exactly what we were going for today, honestly. This wasn't the plan, but it is what it is. That's what happens sometimes. I mean, stuff's gonna break. And honestly, those are original in the car. Probably should have upgraded them already a while ago. So, but we'll be back soon. I'll go ahead and figure something out here in the next couple days and get something ordered. So we'll go from there. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. It sucks, right? But it is what it is. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Two fat guys in a mini.